Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today we're doing an unboxing on the new Fire 7 tablet with Alexa. This is the $49 tablet from Amazon. It was a price too good to pass up, so we're doing a video on it. We're going to unbox it and show you how to set it up, and obviously do a bunch of other cool videos to let you know all about it and see if it's a worth buy for you. So first thing is on the back here, we're going to go ahead and just pull this little tab. No package has been easier to open than that. And here we go. So we opted this time to get the blue since it does now come in different colors. And we get our usual charging cable and a charging brick as well. So you have everything you need to get yours charged and set up. This is the 8 gig model, so there's not a lot of storage on it. But again, in terms of space for apps, we've got plenty of room to download apps. Okay, there it is. I like the color. I think the color just makes a big difference. They've always been in black, and they just felt a little cheap. So this one is made out of the same material as last year, but the blue makes it look a little more premium. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We will just walk through this quick setup process. So the big thing this year is that it comes with Alexa built in. That's definitely one of the things that we want to play around with to see what exactly we can do with that and how intuitive it is. So currently I have an Echo Show and an Echo Dot, and I have the new Echo with the circular display coming sometime in December. So I have a lot of devices already that are compatible with Alexa, so it will be interesting to see how that ties in with one of the tablets. So here's our setup screen. Obviously we're going to choose a language first. You can also change the font sizes down here if you need it to be bigger. Alright guys, so to set up our Fire 7, the first thing we need to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. So let's go ahead and find our Wi-Fi network on the list here. The list is in order, which normally isn't. Interesting. And let's see, our network is here. Team Rain. We're gonna go ahead and put that in. Stand by. Put in our code. Okay. So once you have your code entered, hit connect. All right, we're connected. So we'll check for some software updates. So normally from the time of them boxing up the unit to when you actually get it, there's always a lot of updates that do happen. So this will take a few minutes. So we'll just go ahead and let this run. Alright guys, so all the updates are complete. Now I did order mine through Amazon.com, so they, I guess, pre-register it, and it's asking, hey, is this you? And it is me, so I'm going to hit yes, that's me. And we're going to go ahead and register it. So what you can do is, if you've had a Kindle in the past, you can hit restore, and it will take all the information that was on your old Kindle and it will put it on this new one. I don't want to restore it, I want to just set up like a new device. So I'm going to hit do not restore. And here we've got a couple of options. So you want to enable location services. Normally I don't like to turn those things on. If you're going to use like a GPS app or mapping app, that's where they can be helpful, but I don't like to keep that off. Save Wi-Fi password to Amazon. Not really, don't want to do that either. Auto save photos and video, okay, sure. And backup and restore, no problem. Hit continue. Make this Fire kid friendly with child profiles and free time. I'm gonna hit not now, and we can always do that later. Okay, we can pre-set up social media accounts, Goodreads, Facebook, Twitter. I'm okay for now. Let's hit continue. Obviously, we've got some services on here, Kindle Unlimited. I'll pass on that for now. We're going to hit no thanks. And here we are, right at our setup screen. We always get a nice little tutorial to get started. So let's just go ahead and follow it and see if anything has been moved or everything is all in the same place. So this is the home screen they're showing you. We've got content pages. You can navigate to different pages by swiping left or right. Okay. Always been the same. You can scroll by going up and down. Got it. Access your library and the store just by tapping the little cart at the top here. And we've got our navigation bar, which is at the bottom here. So our back button, our home button, and our switching between our recent apps key. Quick settings, just swipe down from the top, it will bring up the notification panel, and that's it. So this is one of those features that was one of the reasons why I bought this tablet in the first place, is that the built-in Alexa capability and trying to see exactly what we can do with that. So I'm totally excited about this. We're going to continue and enable Alexa so that it is tied in. There we go. So we're just going to hold this home button right here. What's the weather like tomorrow? So you do have to press and hold, so I didn't do it right. Let's see. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Los Angeles, there will be intermittent clouds, with a high of 74 and a low of 61.
So, gotta load that. Hit continue.
What's the news? What can I say? How do you see the ocean?
Alright, so we'll get into more of that in later videos. But our setup is complete. And here we have our Fire 7 tablet, the 2017 edition, set up and ready to go. I hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if it was helpful. Make sure you also subscribe to Tech Videos and stay tuned. We've got a lot more videos coming on basically trying to find out how good is this tablet and is it worth it for 50 bucks. All right, thanks for watching.